how to redirect website domain in cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. To redirect website domain in cpanel, first select Redirects under Domain section. In this page, we can add website domain redirection. Under Type, you have two options. Select the temporary option to redirect website domain for shorter period. For instance, if your site is under maintenance, or testing a new site, or checking tools or themes. In this field, select the website domain in cpanel you wish to redirect to other website domain. And finally, in the Redirects field, we need to enter the website domain to which we want to redirect. Below that, always select Redirect with or without www. This makes sure all visitors are properly redirected. Finally, click the Add button below. And done, redirecting website domain in cpanel to other website domain. You can confirm it. Redirecting website domain temporarily. You can see that the Cosmo Carrot website domain has been temporarily redirected to the designer site website domain successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.